Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef, and today we are going to make is Paneer Tikka. This is a quick and easy recipe that can be made in a microwave oven. So we are going to introduce you to our new microwave oven that we have bought. It's an LG 32 liter convention model, and we are going to show you how to make this Paneer Tikka in a microwave oven. So come on along with us and we'll see how it's done. To make a Paneer Tikka, the first ingredient is 1 cup of curd, next is 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 pinch of turmeric, teaspoon of jeera powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. This is ordinary chili powder. 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. 2 tablespoons of lime juice, fresh lime juice. And 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. After adding all the ingredients, we need to mix the ingredients together. After mixing all the ingredients together, we are now adding peri peri. This is an optional ingredient that we are adding is peri peri. This would give a little extra flavor to a Paneer Tikka. Also, we are adding half teaspoon of salt. And now we are going to mix all the ingredients together once again. Now we are adding a little kasuri methi to give an additional and flavor to the Paneer Tikka. Next we are adding 2 tablespoons of flour. In fact, we wanted to add flour in the beginning itself, but then we remembered it right now. So we are adding 2 tablespoons of flour right for the Paneer Tikka. We have mixed all the ingredients together. Next we are adding 2 onions that we have chopped. Next is 2 tomatoes that we have chopped. Also, we have ensured that the tomatoes are de-seeded. Next we have added 2 capsicum that we have chopped. So these are the ingredients or vegetables that we are adding it to make our tikka. Now once again we mix all the ingredients together. Ensure that the masala is evenly spread onto the vegetables. And the final ingredient is the paneer, which is around half a kilo that we have chopped. We have chopped it into small cubes. In fact, this is the first dish that we are going to make using our microwave. So we are kind of excited. Now our paneer is marinated and we need to leave it aside for 30 minutes. As we wait for a paneer to marinate for the next 30 minutes, let me introduce you to our LG microwave oven. This is a convention model 32 liter microwave that we bought recently. Also, I'll show you the utensils they have provided along with this microwave. So this will be really helpful for you to make a better decision next time if you are going to buy a microwave. So let's see this microwave together. So this is our new all-in-one microwave from LG, and this is a convention model which has micro, grill combi, convention. There are a lot of features and it's with a dial. So this has a 32 liter capacity with a turntable. Of course, they have given us some extra attachments like a skewer and a rotisserie. Also, they have given us some few extra plates. So there's a grill on top over here if you see it. This is the grill. This is the baking coil. This is for the rotisserie, which we can put and grill chicken. So this is a complete set. Also there is instructions of different foods and how to cook it. So this is for diet fried, tandoor, Indian rotis, Indian cuisine. Actually, they've given us one cook recipe book as well as another owner's manual, and this is the model number for the microwave, which is MC3286BRUM. So that's the model that we have bought from LG, and let's look at the book that they have provided us. So you see different soups, there is Indian meals, international meals, tandoori platter, desserts, all these are recipes which they have provided us. And for soups, snacks, tandoor platter, then oil-free recipes, a complete cookbook. So probably we'll be trying one recipe at a time, and let us get used to the LG microwave. Now these are the utensils they have provided us. They've given a spatula as well as they have given a bowl, a plastic microwave safe bowl. So there's no rating also on this bowl, but they've given us as a free gift. Next they have, once we open it, they have, they've given, this is a steamer I suppose. So these are microsafe bowls they provided us. So this is the bowl, and we have got two of it. Next they have given us some plates to make our idli dishes. So this is the free gift that they have given us. Apart from that, they have given a couple of fork. They have given a fork cum spoon, then a knife, a plastic knife, and a spoon. So this is a good quality. If you see, it's a good quality plastic they have given us. Of course, there's a description over here saying that it is microwave safe. So I hope you can see this. So this is a microwave safe spoons, and it's also recyclable I suppose. So these are the free gifts that they have provided us. And also I appreciate this thing. This is a steamer actually. This is a microwave steamer. So you have the nozzle to open up in case of air pressure buildup. So this is a steamer. Now apart from the free gift of plastic plates, they have also provided us another box with this grilling plates. They have a small table as well as a large table. This is for cooking, this is for grilling of chicken, or what we're going to know is a Paneer Tikka. So this is, then apart from that, they have given us the rotisserie. This is the rotisserie that they have given us. Then they have provided us this is a handle to lift our rotisserie. So it comes like this. So they have given us the handle to lift the rotisserie, which is in a microwave. And then apart from that, we have another microwave safe vessel that they have provided. I'm not sure what is this though. Something is mentioned on the do not use without milk. So I think this is a milk cooker. And this is only for milk only. If you see this is for milk, for boiling milk, and this is only for microwave. So this is the milk cooker they have provided us. And finally they have given us a steel plate. This is for a nice sturdy steel plate. If you see, this is a steel plate they have provided us for baking. So these are the free gifts that they provided us along with the utensils in the microwave. So it was around 17,000 and odd. I'll just display the exact price in this video. How much we bought the LG microwave. Kind of a bargain deal. There's a lot of I think we got around 10% discount is when we bought the LG microwave convention model. But there are costly models that's around 24,000 and all. But 17,000 was kind of reasonable, and it has all the features. The 24,000 had a lot of touch controls, which I was not kind of very familiar with that. So I have gone for this little semi medium model of convention. So let's see how to make a paneer tikka after buying a new microwave. And I hope it really comes out good and what we expect it to be. Now it's been 30 minutes since our paneer has been marinating. Next we need to place this paneer in the skewers. This is a skewer that we have bought, and these are wooden skewers, so we had to soak it for 30 minutes in water before we start placing the paneer onto the skewers. So now we place the first vegetable, that is the onions, then the paneer, then the capsicum, and the tomatoes. So we'll be alternating the vegetables. Once the vegetables are placed onto the skewer, we'll start grilling it, which will be the next step. Now we have placed our paneer into the skewers, and next we're going to place it into the grill. And next we are placing the paneer pieces onto the plate that is provided by the. Next we're going to grill it. Pushing some oil onto the paneer pieces just to ensure that it does stick to the bottom of this plate. Now our paneer is grilled. You need to take it out of the stove, and wow. Next we place the plate for grilling into the oven, and next we click onto the grill option, which is a grill combo. Next we need to turn the knob and fix it for 10 minutes. In fact, the cooking time for this paneer is 20 minutes. We just kept it for 10 minutes. And next we click the start button. Now our paneer is grilling. Let's wait for 10 minutes. It has completed 10 minutes of grilling. Next we need to take out the paneer that is cooked. Wow, the smell of paneer cooking, yeah. Now we need to turn the paneer and grill it for another 10 minutes. Yes. Now we click the grill option once again. And set it for 10 minutes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Click the start button. Now our paneer is grilled. You need to take it out of the stove, and wow. This is our grilled paneer and it's ready to be eaten. So this is our grilled paneer, and it's nice and well grilled actually. So it's now hot. I just can't eat it. I can't eat it right now. So I'll wait for some time, and then I will mix it. We have also made some green chutney or the mint chutney. Along with that, we're going to have a grilled paneer with green chutney. Okay, so we got a paneer tikka. It's made with a new LG microwave convection oven. So we have mint chutney along with paneer tikka with capsicum, which is already cooked, and let's taste and see how it is. The grilling of paneer as well as with the capsicum, superb. Really nice microwave oven. I'll put the exact price in the description. It came out very nicely. Combo. We have tried the grill today. Probably we'll try newer recipes also use with the new microwave oven. Simply superb, especially with the mint chutney. You have to have paneer tikka with mint chutney. Nothing to beat it. Thanks to my wife who made this. And if you like our video, do like, share and comment on our channel. Please share our video. And if you like further recipes or better recipes from us, do give us a comment in the comment section below. They really help us. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel once again. Until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. Bye bye and see you next week.